Today we're gonna draw a Christmas tree. Okay, so make sure you have your pencil. You have a pencil and an eraser, and some color pencil crayons, some colors. Got some colors here. We could get some more later. So first, like always, don't draw too hard. Draw lightly so you can erase later. We'll be working with shapes. Okay, so let's just draw a basic triangle up here from the top. Basic triangle, not too big. Whoopsies. See, that's why I want to draw lightly. See, I made my line didn't look too well here. It looked kind of crooked, so see, I can erase that. Okay. Now I'm going to draw another triangle right in this triangle. It's going to be like kind of like that. Okay, so I'm going to draw like this. A little bit bigger. Okay. So you're going to draw a triangle in this triangle. It's going to overlap. Like this is called overlap. So it's going to overlap this triangle right here. And then I'm going to draw one more right here. Now this is going to be a bigger one, even bigger one. So I'm going to draw like this, this. There we go. So you see 3 triangles right here. Now here I'm going to merge these shapes together. I'm going to merge them. So I'm going to erase the lines inside. I'm not going to erase all of it, okay? So I'm going to erase these lines here. This line. So any line that's overlapping. So I just want the outside lines. So I'm going to erase there we go. There. So you don't want to draw too hard. I drew a little bit darker so you can see, but for you guys, just draw lightly. Just enough so you can see. So now you have this shape right here, this Christmas tree shape. There you go. Now I'm going to draw a little rectangle at the bottom. That's going to be the Christmas tree trunk right here. Now this is just a pine tree. It's not a Christmas tree yet. It's a Christmas tree when we decorate it. So we're going to decorate the Christmas tree. All right? Can you say the word decorate? Yes, decorate. So decorate, we're going to put some ornaments on them, on here. Let's draw a little ornament right here. There we go. We could draw a stocking right here. A stocking. Whoop, there we go. Ooh, you know what we should put at the top? A star. So I'm going to erase the tip of this tree. I'm going to erase that. And then I'm going to go like this. Watch. Big pointy thing right here. Okay. And I'm going to go straight line over here. Straight line. And then I'm going to do this. And this. This might be a little bit tricky for you guys. It's going to look something like that. And then, again, I'm going to carefully erase those lines inside. Okay, you see that? So it should look like this, okay? There we go. There's the tree with the star at the top. Let's put some more stuff. Okay, you could put little circles here, like. Okay, I'm gonna do another row of circles. Right here, another one. Circle, 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 small circle. Oh. There we go. Another one. Let's do one more. There we go. Circle, circle, circles. There. Now you can put little different shapes in here. Let's put a heart right here. What shapes do you know how to draw? You know what we should put? Look. Here, I'm gonna turn it upside down. Okay. I'm gonna draw a J. I'm gonna draw a J right here. Write a J. There's a J. I'm gonna put a little line here. I'm gonna draw a smaller J right here. Do you know what that is? Okay, let's turn it back. It's a candy cane, so I'm gonna put some stripes on there like that. One. Put some stripes on there like that. There you go. So let's put another ornament right here. Put one right here. What else? What else can we put on the tree? What else? Let's put another stocking right here. Stocking. There we go. And here's another way to draw a star. Look, I'm gonna draw a triangle like this. There we go. And I'm gonna draw an upside down triangle like this. There. Now I'm gonna erase the lines inside. Oops, you gotta be careful. Doesn't matter, we could draw those lines again later. There we go. Whew. That's the way, another way to draw a star. So there's our Christmas tree. Now we could color it. Again, just gently color it green. Let's color this green, 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 green. It's a green Christmas tree. It's gonna be tricky if you color around these decorations on the tree. Let's see how good you guys are. So you have to be a little bit careful. So just do it slowly. There you go. Now we got the red. I'm gonna color the stocking red. There, I'm gonna color this one red too. Maybe this heart. I'll give it this candy cane can have some red stripes. There we go. Let's color these ornaments purple. Purple, purple, purple. color the star yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, let's color the big star at the top yellow too. There we go. What other colors I got? Ooh, let's use blue. There. Let's put these. Make this blue. Oh, it's kind of dull. I'm gonna sharpen my pencil crayon. Sharpen, sharpen, sharpen. There we go. You don't want it. You don't need it too sharp. There we go. And there you have it. There you go. There. You're missing something. Let's draw the trunk. Brown trunk. There we go. There. Here's a tree. There we go. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Okay. There. How do you like my tree? What did you put on your tree? You can comment below. I'd like to see your tree too.